Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How you can create a letterhead for a company or an organization for business purpose. For this you need to log in your Canva account, go to business, and here you can see that click on letterhead. When you click on it, different kinds of letterheads appear in front of you. You can choose a letterhead of your choice and design it according to your own choice. There are various kinds of letterheads available. Here you can see that different kinds of letterheads are present. I want to take just one letterhead and make changes to create a letterhead of my own. For example, I want to take this is my letterhead and customize this template. Click on it. It is now opening and you can see that it opens up. You can increase its size. First of all, you can click on the text and change your text. The color you can also change. For example, this is the color and we want to change it. Click on the color and go to change its color. For example, I want to take this kind of color or this kind of a color. This is my color, and this is again, you can click on it and change its color. Click on the color, and if you want to change it, then you can change it easily. So this is the color that I have changed. Now you can change the text here and write the text of your own. For example, you want to change this text, click on it and change it. In the same way, select the text. Right here I want to take reveals, and this is the all text that you can delete and made text here of your own choice. This date, this is the date, you can change it. Regard, delete it. Here is the signature, you can also delete it. So here you can change the phone number, email address, anything else you can change it, and the name of this person you can also change it. Click on it and change the name. Sardar Hussain. So these are the shapes, the color that you want to change, and you can change in this way. So we want to match both the colors, and we click on it. Its color is now changed. You can click on it and change its color again. We click on it and click here, the color is now changed. So this is my letterhead. You can set anything in the background of this letterhead. For example, go to uploads. Here you can take a text and place that text in the background. For example, I want to select this text and change its tech reveals. This is my text and I want to change it. First of all, you need to select transparency and in this way this is now present in the background of this letterhead. In this way you can change a letterhead of your own choice for your company, and you can sell it out on the freelance marketplaces, Fiverr, Upwork, freelancers.com, guru.com, and many others. You can sell it out and earn money online. Thank you so much for watching this video.